After 60, the changes don't happen all at once. One day, you notice getting out of a chair takes more effort. The stairs feel steeper. You reach for a railing you never needed before. Most men assume that's just aging. It's not. It's what happens when your body stops getting the right kind of demand. These 3 exercises put that demand back. Let's get into it. Exercise 1, the wall sit. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet shoulder-width apart, about 2 feet out from the base. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, knees directly above your ankles, not pushed forward past your toes. Arms relaxed, back flat, breathe normally. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds. The muscles doing the work here, quads, hamstrings, and glutes, are responsible for nearly every lower body movement you make. Getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, catching yourself when you stumble. When they're strong, those things feel easy. When they're not, they start to feel like work. Here's something worth knowing. Muscle loss after 60 happens fastest in the legs, and it happens quietly. Most men don't notice until something simple suddenly feels harder than it should. The wall sit holds your legs under load for an extended period with 0 strain on your back or joints. It's one of the most efficient ways to hold on to that strength. Start with 30 seconds if 60 is too much. 2 sets every morning. Build from there. Exercise 2 targets something most men overlook entirely until it starts showing up as a balance problem they can't explain. The standing calf raise. Stand near a wall or counter with light fingertip contact for stability, not to hold yourself up. Rise onto the balls of both feet as high as you can. Hold 1 full second at the top. Lower slowly, 2 full seconds on the way down. That controlled descent is where the real strength is built. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Here's what most men don't know about their calves. They're your body's first responder when your balance is challenged. When you start to tip, your calves fire up to pull you back. Weak calves mean that correction is slower or doesn't happen at all. They also pump blood back up from your lower legs to your heart, so there's a circulation benefit that most people never think to connect to calf strength. The real-world payoff is confidence in your footing. Walking on uneven ground, stepping off a curb, moving without having to think about whether your legs will catch you. That ease comes from what's happening in your lower legs, and most men never train it. 3 sets, slow and controlled, every day. Exercise 3 looks like the simplest movement on this list. It might be doing the most work. The chin tuck. Sit or stand tall. Pull your chin straight back, not down, straight back, like you're making a double chin. You'll feel a gentle stretch at the base of your skull. Hold 5 seconds, release. Repeat 10 times. 3 sets a day, anytime. Morning, watching TV, sitting at a desk. Here's what's been quietly happening to most men's necks for years. Every hour at a computer, every glance down at a phone, every long drive has been pulling your head forward off your spine. The further forward your head drifts, the more strain it puts on your neck and upper back, and it also throws off your posture and balance from the top down. The chin tuck wakes up the deep muscles that are supposed to hold your head where it belongs. 2 minutes a day, and you start reversing something that's been building for a long time. The difference shows up as less tightness in your neck, better posture, and the kind of upright presence that makes you feel and look more in control of how you're moving through the world. Wall sit, calf raises, chin tucks, under 10 minutes. Here's your challenge. Do all 3 today. Not tomorrow, not when you've got more time, today. Because the men who stay strong into their 70s and 80s aren't doing anything extraordinary. They're just consistent with the right things every single day. That's what this is. Start today. If this helped, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.